Are you a NEET and a JEE aspirant struggling to remember the group 13 elements in the periodic table? Let's make it simple for you with this technique. Tip 1. List the elements group 13, one below the other. Boron, Aluminium, Gallium, Indium, Thallium, Nihonium. Tip 2. Create an acrostic. To help memorize these, use this catchy phrase, boys always get in train eating nachos. Eliminate the word eating there, and now you got all the elements, my friends. Tip 3. Use visual aids. Draw a colorful chart with symbols and names of these elements. Visuals can help reinforce your memory. And here's a fun challenge for you. Share your own acrostic for group 14 elements, which includes carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and flerovium. In the comments, don't forget to save this video for more reference and share this video with your fellow students to help them ace their exams. Happy studying. For more such memory techniques, follow me.